This building is located in the historic center of Porto Alegre, a capital in the south of Brazil. The apartment has a compact size of only 29 square meters. The owner wanted to maximize the space by focusing on the living room area. We designed a simple layout with no subdivisions. We use marine plywood for all the furniture with some colored surfaces. My name is Ananda Maciel Oliveira, and I developed this project with my colleagues Thiago Cajuara and Diego Flâmia. Rua dos Andradas is the oldest street in the city, located in the heart of the historic center. Along the street, there is many shops, restaurants and cafes. It is a tourist hotspot with a vibrant urban atmosphere. The building dates back to the 1950s. It features a beautiful facade, and from its upper floors, one can enjoy a stunning view of the Metropolitan Cathedral, a Renaissance-style church with a strong connection to the city's history. The original layout of the apartment resulted from the subdivision of a larger commercial space. The apartment consisted of only one spacious open area with a renovated bathroom. There were plans to have the kitchen near the entrance, but it had not been completed. We added a kitchen in front of the entrance and used a custom joinery piece to divide the kitchen and living areas. The sleeping, dining, office and the living areas shared the main space. The bathroom remained in the same location. Behind the entrance door, there is a mirror and a coat rack. There is a cabinet that opens directly into the hallway, allowing for the storage of shoes when entering or leaving. It also provides a bit of privacy. We kept the wooden floors in the apartment as they were recently restored, and we wanted to keep a bit of the history of the building inside the apartment. The living room is a spacious area with a large sofa and 2 armchairs. There are 2 distinct horizontal planes created with custom joinery. One of them is a desk located beneath the window. The idea of this desk is that it can be used also as a table for meals, and underneath remained an open space where the client could accommodate some furniture. It can also be used as an office when working from home. The other horizontal plane is an overhead shelf that extends across the entire apartment from the window to the entrance. This shelf serves as a unifying element, defining the internal layout of spaces. There is a vertical wooden panel that creates a separation between the kitchen area from the living room. The armchairs in the living room were custom-made in the office, taking inspiration from designs by Le Corbusier, Rietveld, and Lina Bobardi. There is a chair that hangs from the ceiling by the window, which is a fun feature of the apartment. It allows the owner to look out over the city and relax. The kitchen is positioned right after the entrance. It is defined by vertical wooden panels with colored surfaces. Above and below the countertop, there are kitchen storage areas. The countertop and backsplash are made from gray quartz. It complements the graphite of the cabinets. Immediately next to the counter, the appliances are positioned within the cabinetry niches. In the lower corner, there is a space dedicated to the laundry area. On the other side of the kitchen, there is a vertical wooden panel which provides privacy from the living room. There is storage space within this partition to accommodate brooms and cleaning supplies. We have designed a wooden cutting board that fits into the sink's recess to expand the countertop space. There is an induction cooker that can be stored away when not in use. The bedroom furniture follows the same concept as the rest of the apartment. with color wooden surfaces. Since the project aimed to maximize the use of the living area, a retractable bed was designed. It is concealed behind the green slatted panel along the living room wall. When the bed is reclined, a reading space is created next to the headboard. Above the headboard, there is storage space for books and other items. When the client has friends over, she can easily fold up the bed to create more space and reduce clutter. The bathroom is compact but has a lot of natural light due to the window by the shower. The original bathroom of the apartment had been recently renovated before we started the project. We replaced the fixtures and accessories to a black finish. We designed the woodwork to align with the overall style of the apartment's furniture and chose an orange tone that contrasts with the gray base. We added storage above and below the sink that aligns with the overall style of the apartment. We decided to use cutout handles, which provides a practical solution for opening two doors with a single cutout. When designing a small space, the most important thing for us is understanding the client's habits and needs. We ensure efficient space planning by balancing simple solutions and appealing visual aesthetic. For this project, we conducted several layout studies to achieve the desired result. Inner city dwellings offer a wide range of commerce and services, easy access to public transportation, leisure, and culture. Having convenient access to everything a person needs to live comfortably makes this type of housing more sustainable.
Whether you're a renter or a homeowner, our essential guide to your living room can help you discover your personal style and transform your small living room into a space you'll love to spend time in. Download your copy of the guide from nts-store.com or get a free copy along with all our upcoming guides by joining the Besties Plus Guides tier of our YouTube membership. Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.